What's up everyone? I'm going to show you how to make these delicious no-bake lemon almond coconut scones recipe. It is also refined sugar-free. You're going to love me for that, and it's guilt-free, and you're going to enjoy it and not miss out on those fun tea parties. And I put the recipe below in the description. First things first, you'll need fresh lemon juice. That is like 5 lemons worth, so it's a cup of lemon. And add in 5 tablespoons of chia seeds to that fresh lemon juice and start mixing it together. And you're going to set it aside, and it should turn into like this jelly texture type of feeling because you have to let it sit for about 30 minutes and then it will become a jelly texture type. Now to a large bowl, add in your chia mixture stuff. And go ahead and add in 3 cups and a half cup of almond flour. Add in 1 cup of shredded coconut. Add in a 1/4 cup of zested lemons, which equaled me about 5 lemons worth. Now add in 2/3 cup of applesauce. Now go ahead and just mix it all around until it's fully incorporated and mixed very well together. After it's mixed, go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. It's super optional. And then go back to mixing it together until it's all mixed in with your mixture. Now grab an 8x8 pan out and grab a big sheet of parchment paper. It's going to be enough to cover over everything. And start scooping your mixture of goodness, of yumminess in there, and start pressing it down with a spoon, and just start using the parchment paper to squish it down to flatten it to make it all even all over. Now I'm just folding in the parchment paper so it's all folded on top of it, so that way it can freeze like this for you. And you'll want to freeze it for about 2 or 3 hours in your freezer. And then after 2 or 3 hours, pull it out and start peeling off the parchment paper to make sure it's not like sticky. If it's still sticky, you need to put it back in the freezer. As you can see, mine was not sticky, so get the parchment paper back and put it on top of the parchment paper and start cutting it to the shape you would like. What I am doing is cutting it into triangular shapes, just like a scone. There you have it. It's all cut up into a triangular scone shape. Now to a plate, add in coconut shredded to a plate and start pressing your scones, unbaked scones, onto the coconut shredded, so that way it sticks to it and gives it this really cool coconutty texture type, and it tastes amazing. Let me just explain that. It just tastes so good. And you can go ahead and press the edges too, because sometimes it looks really cool with the edges getting pressed with the coconut. And just do it to every single unbaked scone you can. And there you have it. That was super easy. It was fun. They look pretty. Now you can enjoy having a tea party if you're into that and not feel left out with your whole diet thing that you might have going on, or allergies. There you have it. It's amazing. They're so good. You can freeze them and you can thaw them to order. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe just as I did. I hope you have a wonderful day and get to those scones and start making them and start eating them all.